too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush this through.
Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more just for you, love, for you.
Money got my whole family going.
Okay, my loves, we are back with another wig review. We are working with this beautiful curly wig today. It just reminds me of Sunny Austin's hair. Have you guys watched The View? Like literally, this is Sunny's color. It's so pretty. I'd like to thank Hurela for sponsoring today's video. So in today's video, I will be reviewing and installing this Hurela V-part curly wig. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for continued great content. So let's get into this box. Inside of the box, you get a satin bag where you can store your hair when you take it off, and a goodie bag. Inside of the goodie bag, you get hair clips, eyelashes, a wig cap, and a silk scarf, as well as a headband. And of course, your Hurela hair that has been disinfected. Okay, so this is a 24-inch Jerry curl V-part highlighted wig. Of course, you have your two combs on either side of the V, and the little comb that's always at the bottom, you guys know I'm going to take that out, right? And of course, you have your comb at the bottom for your nape as well as the adjustable straps. So here I'm just checking the hair out, shaking it, see what kind of bounce it has, if any hair falls out. And as you can see, I did have some hair fall out just by shaking the hair. So I'm running my fingers through it to see if it's soft. The wig is very soft, but I will say the very ends feel a little dry and I am getting some shedding. I'm also checking to see if there's any red strings or lint in the hair. I did not find any. So as of right now, the hair is just really dry on the ends, so I am going to co-wash this hair. As you can see, I am going to use As I Am Classic Coconut Co-Wash. The hair feels so soft and silky using this co-wash. It looks so good, you guys. Only co-washed this hair once. I rinsed it out and I put it on my mannequin head to dry overnight, and we'll be back for this girl in the morning. And this is the next morning. As you can see, it still has that really cute Jerry curl look. The color is popping, so let's apply this wig. It's super soft. The only thing I did with this was co-wash the hair, as you saw. And the ends feel a lot better, but as you can see, they're still really scraggly and still very much breaking off. So as much as I don't want to cut this hair, I will clip the ends off. So the only thing I did this morning was I went ahead and I laid my edges down while I did my makeup. So, and I just have my hair in this ponytail, this braided ponytail. This is for the hair companies. If you're going to send more than one wig cap in the box, send one light cap and one darker cap, because you don't know who you're sending the caps to. And to me, it just takes way more work when you have to put so much makeup on your cap to tint it, in my opinion. All right, so again, we're just going to keep this wig cap just on the back half of our head. All right, so on the sides, I'm just putting the comb here on the other side as possible. Can y'all see that? Oh, there's so much hair. I've got to clip these ends. I've got to clip these ends. They were so bad. Okay. I think we're getting away with not having any hair out, and that matters. Unless someone is like all the way up in your scalp, I don't really see where they will be able to tell that, you know, it's not yours. Create the frizz and then tame the frizz. Due to the constant manipulation and pulling at the wig, the right side kind of slid down, but don't mind that because it's still cute. To avoid that, you can always leave a little bit of your hair out in the front. Where's the fan when you need like your Janet Jackson moment, you know? How are we feeling about this one, y'all? Yeah, this wig cap could use a lot of adjusting in the back, because even using the back comb, the comb still comes out because I just have so much room. Like, look. Y'all see that? And it just kind of hangs here. I do understand why they do that, because the girls are growing their hair out these days, and most of us are natural, which means our hair is longer and thicker, and we do need that extra room if we're using this as a protective style. So I totally get why they allow that much room within the wig cap. You know, it does make sense to me. However, I'm gonna have to tighten this thing up somehow. Yeah, that, and then the ends of the hair, because it was dyed, it felt very dry, and it was like coming out. Like, there is some shedding with this hair, and I think it could be, I don't believe it's the construction of the wig as much as the dye, the hair dye. I'm not sure how this is coming off on camera, but I think this is a really pretty color. I think it's cute for pre-spring to, you know, pop some color in your hair without actually damaging your hair. Sunny wears her hair half up, half down a lot, and I think it's so cute on her. This is homage to my girl, because we love her. You guys, look how long this hair is when it's stretched out. It's like literally to my hip. If you're looking for a little color for the spring, girl, and you want to keep it curly and cute and soft, I think this is it. But this is the look for today, you guys. I really hope you love this look. I will leave all of the information in the description box down below if you have an interest in this wig. And until the next time, be loved.
Money got my whole family going back and
Don't
backwards.
think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more just a new life for you.
Money got my whole family going.